Hi guys, this is Brian again of Brian Loves Pageantry. So this is the day of the swimsuit show of Miss Universe Philippines 2025. At my back, as you can see, the girls are rehearsing. So I'm gonna put up more clips for this video, so please keep watching. As you can see, ito yung performer. So I think his name is JC, and he came from London. Nag-move na siya dito sa Philippines, and he's one of the talents of Empire. I believe so. Yun. So this is his song, very catchy song, diba? And oh my God, may masasabi pa ba tayo? Wala na. So we have here group number 2, I think. Practice lang sila. So spot your favorite. Group 3. Oh, diba? This is what's happening kapag na-rehearsal. At ito ay nasa ilalim ng matinding sikat ng araw. Still on group number 3, rehearsing pa din. Spot your favorite. Then yung ilan sa mga front runners. Energy. Here's JC again. This is group 3. Spot your favorite. Favorite nyo, nandito na ba?